Fishy here with how to control information companies can get about you from Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find out what Facebook knows about you and how to manage the types of information that advertisers can learn about you. Facebook collects all kinds of information about you and uses it to help advertisers target you. But how much information do they have and what can you do about it? Let's take a look. First, go to the top right part of your screen on Facebook and look for this pull-down menu and go all the way down to Settings. On the left-hand side, go all the way down to Ads. This will bring you to your ad preferences. This is where Facebook tries to figure out what ads are relevant to you. And you could look here and see what they're serving you. Business and industry, news and entertainment, people, food and drink, travel, places, events, and some other categories such as education, technology, lifestyle. You can choose to delete some of these, some of the topics or some of the places, anything that they're sending you information on. Like, I'm going to delete Louisiana. Love you, but don't care. So that's what you can do when you want to get out of receiving ads in a particular category. You can remove these subtopics or subjects. Down here is advertisers that you've interacted with. You've given them your contact information, you've used their websites, you've visited their pages or clicked on their ads, and you can even see who you've hidden here. So all of these you can cancel if you don't want to see those in your feed anymore. Let's look at your information. Now, this is really interesting because you can toggle these particular categories to see if you will continue to receive ads based on these demographic characteristics: relationship status, employer, job title, education, things you're interested in. And let's take a look at what Facebook thinks they know about me. Parents with adult children, 18 to 26, parents with teenagers, let's see, friends of women with a birthday in a week to a month, and men with a birthday in a week to a month, birthday in September. U.S. politics, very conservative. Anyone who want to challenge my creds there, Facebook will have to differ. Facebook Access Network, owns a Galaxy S7, owned a Galaxy X5, just all these things that are here. This is what Facebook has collected about me over the time that I've been using it. That's important for you to know. And some of the things that you can select and remove, you can close these off, and I think they will not give that information to advertisers. And the last category, ad settings. So you can set these ads based on different things. They will probably make your ad experience less relevant, but they will not remove more ads. So interest-based ads, you can turn that off. Apps based on other things that you've done, and ads with your social actions. This one is interesting too, because you might have seen this where a friend of yours likes this and it's a particular page that they like. You can turn those off down here. Only your friends see your interactions or no one sees those. And so if you like a page, you can keep that on the download down here. So that should be able to help you navigate. You can go to this particular place, look at all the things that you've interacted with, all the pages, all the topics, and choose what you'd rather not have ads about or what you would rather not have advertisers know about you. Now that you know how to manage advertisers, let us know what you find out when you look at your profile. And if you found this video helpful, share it and spread the word about unfakery. Thanks for watching.